It's the blizzard of 2015. Hallelujah, we finally got some snow. After about 30 days of really nothing happening, we finally got a real first substantial snowfall out in western Mass. So we ended up about 10 or 12 inches out in my area, and we were taking advantage of the snow. So the crews is out in the garage, just finished snow blowing, and my daughter and I just came out, and actually we just came back in. Took the Indy Lite for his first jaunt in the trails around the woods, and the sled ran great. This thing is an absolute blast out in the powder. It really reminds me of simpler times with lightweight machines and small and nimble and everything else. Really easy to toss around and maneuver and everything else. My daughter did great for the first time behind the controls. I sat with her, and she was running the brake and the gas and steering around with pretty well. So, you know, I think she's still a little bit gun shy on it, but you know what, she'll get the hang of it. But for the first time out, she did great. So, as you can tell, we were busting the trails with the powder and flicking it around, and you know, this sled is an absolute blast. We really had a good time with it. So, as far as the Fusion, it's sitting on the cover underneath the trailer. I did my first long trip with it about 2 weeks ago. Went up to Pittsburgh, New Hampshire for 3 days. Put on about 180 miles, and the sled ran great. No issues for the first time out on it. The extension rails with the Cobra track, it works great. Very good flotation in the powder. It doesn't trench, and it's very good. I'm very happy with it. No issues at all. So that's pretty much all that's going on over in my garage. Figure I would just get a little bit of an update video, and hope everybody's staying warm. And if you're playing it, if you have the snow, go ahead and play in it. It's having an absolute blast. I'll go ahead and insert some footage from the Indy Lite, go around the trails around my house. But if there's any questions, thoughts, concerns, go ahead and put them in the comments box, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.